Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn body fluids and circulation together, step by step. In this chapter, we study body fluids like blood and lymph, the structure of the heart, and how blood circulates through the body. Blood is a connective tissue made of liquid plasma and cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen, white blood cells fight infection, and platelets help in clotting. Human blood is classified by the ABO system into groups A, B, AB, and O, and by the Rh factor as positive or negative. Matching them is vital for safe transfusion. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper atria and 2 lower ventricles. It works as a double pump, sending blood to the lungs and to the rest of the body. Humans have double circulation. In the pulmonary circuit, blood goes to the lungs for oxygen, and in the systemic circuit, it travels to the body, passing the heart twice. The cardiac cycle is 1 heartbeat. During systole, the chambers contract to push blood out, and during diastole, they relax and fill again, repeating rhythmically. To recap, blood is made of plasma and cells grouped by the ABO and Rh systems, and the 4-chambered heart drives double circulation through systole and diastole. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.